Good morning, students. How are you? I always hope that you should keep fine at home. Welcome to the SST class. Please take your book, open page number 106. I'd like to discuss today with you in this lesson about the global warming, ozone depletion, and the steps to save environment. These are the 3 points I am going to discuss. So please look into your book. So these are very, very important to save our environment, to know the facts that affect our environment, and we are all affected by. So global warming is the term used to describe the gradual rise of the average temperature of the surface of the earth. And during the past centuries, the rise of the temperature of the earth has 1.1 degree Fahrenheit or 0.6 degrees centigrade. Now, this much rising the temperature of the world is very, very difficult to understand, and then it is affecting the world too much. It looks very small figure, but it causes a lot of difference. Reason for the global warming is excessive burning of fossil fuel. You know what is fossil fuel? Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, and natural gases. Also, I would include the fire, the wood, burning of forest and wood. They excessively exert the or increase the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And you know that carbon dioxide, the nature of carbon dioxide is to absorb heat. Due to that, we feel hot, and the world is hot. The impact of global warming. What happened due to what is the result or what is the effect of the global warming? Due to global warming, what has happened? Due to global warming, the melting of polar ice has increased. Rise of the sea water is so much. So this is the reason. And extinction of or the dying out of the animals. Next one is the extinction of some species of animal. Yes, dying out of some species. Here it is given, the polar bear, snow leopard, bear, walrus, and all that. Marine life has been affected much. Another thing that happens due to the global warming is climatic change. We know, we experience every time. So some scientists think that global warming may lead to the frequent storm, flood, heavy rainfall, bursting of the clouds, and all. All these are happening. We are seeing in our own eyes nowadays. So remember this. These are the 3 things. Next one is the ozone depletion. Now, what is this ozone depletion? Ozone is a gas that protects the strong heat, strong sun rays coming to the earth. And this is known as protective layers. In the atmosphere, on the upper part of the atmosphere is the ozone layer gas, and this protects us from ultraviolet rays of the sun. These ultraviolet rays of the sun can cause skin disease and cancer in human life. And so ozone layer stops most of the harmful rays. It's natural. Yet we don't understand the importance, and due to our activities, the increase of gases which punctures the ozone layer, and the ultraviolet rays has come. Due to that, lot of sicknesses coming. Ozone depletion refers to the phenomenon of reduction. Is a phenomenon of reducing the amount of ozone gas in the ozone layer. Depletion of ozone layer allows ultraviolet rays to reach the earth and cause harm to all living things, all living organisms. The reasons for ozone depletion is mainly the increase of the chlorofluorocarbon and carbon dioxide. These were used in refrigerators, these chlorofluoro, CFCs, but now it is not used. Next one, how to save our environment. There is a constant increase between the interaction between the components of the environment and human life. With the increase of population, more space is required, and so clearance of the forest and all that is cut down. Production of the forest are cleared up. Factories are built, towns are built, cities are built, and so these human activities are creating an imbalance in the nature. As a sensible people, we should take certain steps to save the earth and to maintain balance in our environment. There are rules to follow. What are the rules? In the next page, page number 108, you see, to conserve, what you have to do, how to save. Go through this and you will be able to understand that. Like conserve electricity, save electricity, limit use of the vehicles. Today a number of vehicles are more than people. Avoid burning of the fossil fuel leaves and trashes. Stop cutting down the trees. Use liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, for cooking. Drive vehicles on clean fuel like CNG. Don't use diesels. Do not throw waste materials and garbage in water. Avoid plastic, the use of plastic bags. So all these are the steps we need to take. Reducing pollution is important for the survival of our environment and the health and well-being of people. We as responsible human beings should help protect the environment, as it will ultimately affect our own lives on earth. And so this is how we have completed this. You can do your questionnaires, and if you have any difficulties, we will discuss in the next video. Okay, till then, see you safe.